Guys, demo namin brand new Toyota Vios. So ito in-upgrade namin, low beam, high beam, pati 3-color projector fog light. So ginabi na kami sa tapos. Ito, best demo. Full upgrade, brand new, straight from casa. Low beam, high beam, vision, 3-color projector fog light. Ito na yung ilaw, napakaliwanag. So inalay na rin namin yan. So yan lang, dinidemo namin naka-bright kaya sobrang liwanag. Ito na, 3 colors yung fog light, white, yellow, at saka all weather. So no void of warranty, wala kaming pinutol, full plug and play. Yung mga babiyahe ng mga Vios, gusto nyo i-upgrade yung ilaw, ito na yun. Ito na yung best sample namin sa gabi. Sorry, gabi na kami natapos. So ito yun. So please send us a message, we'll book you a schedule. Yung mga Vios na gustong malalakas yung ilaw, ito na yun, na walang i-void sa warranty. Send us a message, we'll book you a schedule. Thank you.